Hey, gearheads! Welcome back to Autoverse Authority, your ultimate pit stop for the best automotive products out there. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best 4K dash cam for car that's turning heads and boosting performance. After hours of research and testing, I've handpicked the top choices for every kind of buyer, whether you're chasing value, performance, or a unique feature. Links to these products with the latest deals are waiting for you in the description below. Smash that like button, drop a comment, and hit subscribe to fuel your passion for all things auto. Let's rev it up and get started. In our list, the number 1 product name is ROVE R2 to 4K Pro Dash Cam. The ROVE R2 4K Pro Dash Camera is built for drivers who want more than simple video recording. It provides high-definition video clarity and works with various vehicles like minivan, car, bus, and truck. It connects through wireless technology and supports a strong app that helps with real-time access to camera settings, video sharing, and downloading files from your mobile phone. This dash cam is designed for front placement and mounts easily on the windshield, which helps it stay steady during long trips. This model offers ultra-high-definition recording and records footage at different resolution options depending on user needs. It supports memory cards up to 512 GB, which helps keep more footage without worrying about running out of storage. It has built-in location tracking ability, showing live speed and direction, which are saved along with video clips. With built-in voice support and modern sensors, this dash cam captures details even in low lighting. It provides wide-angle coverage and reliable video locking in case of a sudden movement or crash. It uses supercapacitor technology, which helps it last longer and stay stable even in extreme weather. Its parking surveillance system works all the time and offers 3 recording methods during inactivity. These include time-lapse, movement sensing, and collision alerts. It can also send alerts when you return to your car. With support from a dedicated customer service team based in the United States, users receive helpful support for any concern or question they might face after purchase. In our list, the number 2 product name is OVAMAN K600 4K Dash Cam Front and Rear. The OVAMAN K600 4K plus 1080p Dual Dash Cam Front and Rear is designed to help drivers capture their road journeys from multiple angles. This model is made for various vehicles such as minivan, recreational vehicle, bus, truck, and car. It records in high clarity and allows coverage through both front and back cameras. The wide lens on both sides captures more area, giving better footage during motion. This unit comes with built-in wireless connection and a compatible application for Android and iOS devices. With the application, users can control settings, manage files, and view clips directly from their phones. It records using ultra-high definition and allows you to save details like road signs and license plates in real time. It includes a 3.59-inch screen, which helps drivers easily check saved clips. The built-in location feature records movement, route, and direction, which can be used in case of events on the road. The parking function helps monitor surroundings even when your vehicle is off. For constant monitoring, a separate wiring kit is needed. This dashboard camera package includes a 64 GB memory card, which gives space for large files. With the loop saving system, older footage is replaced automatically, so the camera stays active without interruption. It mounts on the windshield and comes with the tools needed for setup. The design is available in black, gray, or silver colors, and it adds an extra layer of safety during daily or long-distance travel. In our list, the number 3 product name is Vantrue E1 Pro 4K Mini Dash Cam Front. The Vantrue E1 Pro 4K dash camera offers advanced technology in a compact body. It is suitable for vehicles like car, truck, recreational vehicle, bus, and minivan. This model provides clear recording using high-resolution video in multiple formats. Its wide lens captures more space on the road, helping drivers document every trip in detail. Equipped with modern light capture ability, this device improves video quality during dark conditions. It captures clear footage, including license plate numbers, even while driving at moderate speed in low visibility. The built-in wireless support connects quickly through mobile application, making it simple to save, view, and share videos from your device. This dash camera also provides live route and motion tracking by using built-in location support. With voice control, drivers can perform certain functions without removing attention from the road. Parking security activates recording before and after sensing movement, giving complete surveillance while your vehicle is unattended. This option requires extra wiring accessories. The storage space can reach up to 1 terabyte memory, offering extended recording time. The loop system continues to save new footage while replacing older files. The included supercapacitor provides longer durability under harsh weather. Its small design helps it remain less noticeable, keeping your view clear and installation easier. The lens also includes a filter to reduce light glare. The magnetic base holds the unit steady, even under hot temperatures. It is useful for drivers who need constant road coverage with reliable quality and smart recording support. In our list, the number 4 product name is WOLFBOX G840S12 4K Mirror Dash Cam. The WOLFBOX G840S 12-inch mirror dash camera is designed for drivers who want full road and parking coverage in one unit. This model works with cars and provides video through front and back lenses, making daily travel more secure. It mounts on the rearview mirror and blends well with your vehicle interior. With wide viewing angles, it helps reduce blind areas while driving or reversing. It records in ultra-high definition on the front and standard high clarity at the back. The large screen shows clear visuals and gives more visibility than common mirrors. The built-in light control technology improves picture balance during night or low-light situations, keeping your footage detailed no matter the time of day. It connects through wireless support and works with a mobile application. This setup lets users watch and download videos using their phone. The location tracking system records driving route, movement, and speed, which can help during unexpected events. This dash cam uses a memory loop to save space by replacing old files when needed. It includes a built-in storage card for easier setup. The parking mode records while your car is off, helping guard against theft or damage. This function runs best when used with a special wiring set. With advanced power input and heat control, it works smoothly even during longer trips. The included sensor detects motion and secures important recordings when an impact is noticed. This unit supports clear viewing, helpful recording, and extra security during both movement and rest. In our list, the number 5 product name is REDTIGER 4K Dash Cam Front and Rear. The REDTIGER F7N Touch 4K dash camera records driving activity using high-resolution lenses placed on both the front and back of the vehicle. This model supports cars, trucks, buses, and minivans. It uses wireless connection and allows control through a mobile application, giving users quick access to saved video files. Both Android and iOS devices can link to the camera through the app. The camera mounts on the windshield and uses a wide lens to capture more area around the vehicle. It offers detailed recording quality in both day and night conditions. With its included location tracking system, the dash camera saves route, speed, and position during trips, which may help in event review or reporting. The unit comes with an internal storage card of 128 GB, giving space to hold long sessions without the need for extra memory. It has a loop saving system that keeps recording new clips by replacing older ones. During a sudden shake or crash, the built-in motion sensor locks the affected footage to prevent deletion. The touchscreen lets users control functions directly from the screen. Voice commands allow hands-free operation, improving safety. It also supports around-the-clock monitoring, which begins recording if movement or contact is detected while the vehicle is off. This parking watch feature needs a separate wiring kit. Its design includes strong materials to manage high-temperature use and extended operation. With support services and long-term coverage, this device adds security and comfort to any regular or long journey. Thanks for watching our full videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and check link the description below. Goodbye and take care. See you in the new video.